Hey, what's up guys? Gruz here. And today I wanted to make a little video about this game right here. This is Titan by Titus Interactive. Now, I recently picked this up. I paid $25, I think it was, for this, but I've never played this before. And you might think to yourself, why would you pay $25 for a game that you've never played before? Well, that's because this game has never been ripped before. The Macintosh version anyways has never been ripped before. Now, I don't know if it's a good game or not. I think it's probably decent, but it is made by Titus Interactive. And if you know anything about crappy Nintendo 64 games, you'll know that Superman 64 was made by Titus. So I don't have the highest hopes for this, but it's going to be interesting either way. You know, this has never been ripped for Mac, so it's basically just giving the community a new game to play on their Macs. Now, I don't know if there's any copy protection or anything like that. We'll have to look and see, you know, if we can make a copy of this and how easy it's going to be to, you know, to make a copy of this. But yeah, I got the computer set up right here. I was thinking about taking you through the steps that I usually take to rip games. Maybe we'll check out the box art. This has really cool box art. And this just the stuff that comes with it. We'll check that out. And then we'll rip the game and then we'll try the game. Sounds good? So yes, this is Titan. It comes in a very glossy box. Mine has a little bit of damage right there. Looks like somebody dropped it or maybe stepped on it with a high heel. But yeah, as you can see, it's got some awesome artwork where the guy's like, and then it's exploding in the background, whatever that is. Makes me really curious to play this. This works with Macintosh 2 color or black and white Macs. So black and white and color Macs, which is super cool. It's yeah, in the back it just shows some screenshots. It shows or tells the story right here, and then some screenshots of like the Amiga version. For some reason, the Amiga version's on there twice. Maybe it's twice as nice. Yeah, inside it folds up really cool. Like it's not like a two-part box. It's just a one-part box. And of course we got the disc right here. It's pretty plain looking, but whatever. We got the registration card. We got a little manual here. Let's see what's in this. Just how to set it up on various computer systems. Interesting. And then the Macintosh. This looks like it's Macintosh specific. Interesting. So yeah, these are the different, it's just one page, but these are the different commands and stuff like that. Looks like this works all the way back to 512E, but you need 1 megabyte, I think. Yeah, 1 meg minimum. So, yeah. Then it's just a piece of foam. You smell this right here. The foam smells like a furniture store. It's weird. It's a really good smell though. It feels good to sniff it. But yeah, let's move on and check out the disc. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is I want to test the disc and make sure that it's actually working and that this isn't just a giant waste of time. So I'm going to pop that in there. And yeah, it just booted right up here. So let's try it. Thankfully, it seems like it's working just fine. Oh, it's got music. So yeah, it does look like a bouncy ball type of like breakout type of game. All right, do I click? I think I click. Ooh, that's some smooth scrolling. Reminds me of like some Commodore 64 or something. That's a cool font. Did I click or something here? Oh, there it goes. Whoa. Yeah, so I guess I moved the paddle around it. Bounce the ball around here. Wow, this frame rate's really good. Very smooth. Got all of them. Let's try level 2. Ooh, this is tough. Whoa. All right, this is pretty cool. I guess we know that it works. I could play this for a while. It's satisfying when you actually are able to hit them, because it's kind of difficult to move it or to hit it at the right angle. Since it's like a box that you move, that's weird. Anyways, we gotta move on. How do I quit? Oh, there it is. Enter is how to quit. That's nuts. Okay, so I don't like using original discs. This actually makes me nervous because this is probably one of the only copies that still exist of this game. So the first thing I want to do is I want to make a copy of this disc so I can work with that instead. And to do that, I'm going to use Copy to Mac, but there's this program called Backup List that I always consult first, and that's basically a list of software confirmed the correct method to go about backing it up by the makers of Copy to. And so I'm just going to look for Titan on here. Oh, dang. Yeah, it's not on here. Well, that's too bad. I know what they suggest doing, though, is to try a sector copy. So that's what we'll try first. We'll try the sector copy. And if there's no copy protection or anything like that, then we should have no problem making a copy of this. So I know that this disc is an 800K disc. And so I'm going to go sector copy with format. Doesn't hurt to format it. And yeah, we'll start this. Insert locked original disk. So let's make sure that it's locked, and it is, because it's open right there. So we insert that. And it just goes right ahead and reads all of the disk into memory. It's going to take a little bit. Thankfully, we haven't run into any errors yet. All right, now we insert the disk that we're going to copy it to. And that's this one. This is a double-sided, double-density disk. It's going to go ahead and format it first, so it's going to take a little bit longer than before. And hopefully this disk is okay and there's not like any bad areas of it or anything like that. I guess I'm not sure, but we'll find out. So now it's writing the track, and you can see down here it's got little dots. That indicates it's been successful. Now if there's an error, there'll be like an X or maybe a V, I think it was. But so far so good. Sometimes the errors are the copy protection itself too, so it's not surprising if you do see some of those on commercial games. Oh, I'm really nervous. I hate just having the one copy. Oh yes, it looks like it was successful and it didn't have any problems. So that is a great sign. Let's go ahead and test this copy that we just made. Put that in. So far, so good. I'm nervous. Oh no! Insert the Titan disk in the internal disk drive. It knows that it's not the right disk. Okay, working. Seems like it's working. Ooh, it looks like it's working. Level 1. Wait. Oh my gosh, there is copy protection. Look at, they made it so it doesn't render the ball. It knew we were using a backup copy. So you can't see the ball. Oh, that's crazy. I mean, you can see it down here. I guess if you really wanted to, you could play watching that little tiny screen down there. I don't think that's something I'm going to be doing though. Oh, that sucks. Okay, well that didn't work. So unfortunately, cracking software is not my area of expertise. I don't know how to crack software, but I know there are some people that are active right now cracking Mac games. So I'm going to make an image of this disk and I'll upload it to the Macintosh Garden, and hopefully somebody can take a look at it and see if they can get it working. Now, in order to make a copy of this, I like to use a program called DiskDup, and that is for System 7. So I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite little program to switch system software over here. Switch it to System 7 here. I'm also going to disable my accelerator just so it doesn't cause any problems, because it probably doesn't expect that. I don't know if it does cause problems, but better safe than sorry, I guess. So now I'm going to launch DiskDup. I like this program because it does both DiskDup images and disk copy images, and it's very easy to use. So basically all you do is you take the original disk. Again, we want to make sure that it's locked so we don't accidentally erase anything. But all you got to do is just pop it in, and then it'll do its thing. It'll read the disk, and then it'll prompt us if we want to save an image file or if we want to make a copy of it. Now I'm going to go ahead and save this image file. It gives you both the DiskDup format or the disk copy format options, but I'm not sure if this is disk copy 4 or if it's disk copy 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make one in both formats, and then I'll upload both of those to the Macintosh Garden. So, but I'll start here with DiskDup. And then I'll do that on the desktop. And then it's going to make you insert the floppy again to do a different copy of it. I guess that's probably a good thing in case, you know, you get a bad read or something like that. It does verify it though. We'll save this image, disk copy, and then I'll go Titan disk copy, save. All right, now the final thing I want to do is I want to create another copy of it. It's probably not going to work, but I guess it wouldn't hurt to try copying it with DiskDup to this backup copy. I'm guessing it won't work since it's smart enough to know that we used copy 2, you know. Copy 2 is like one of the best that you can get for copying software. Now we insert our backup copy here. Yes, go ahead and erase it. I added one of these to the collection not too long ago. I highly recommend it if you're looking to transfer files on and off of old Macs, or just use disk images instead of floppies. It's awesome. That's the floppy emu. Look at the time. I got to get going here soon. All right. Now, I highly doubt this game is going to work in System 7, so I'm going to go ahead and switch back to System 6. Disable my accelerator here. It doesn't play nice with some games. Alright, we pop this in. Let's give it a shot. I don't think it's going to work though, but probably shouldn't be that negative. We should probably hope it does work. Come on, work! Work! Come on! So far, so good. Oh, dang it. It knows. It knows. Okay, you bastard. I'll let you play the game without the ball. All right, let's see if it works. Oh, no, it does not work. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload these images that I ripped to the Macintosh Garden. And then if there's an update to this, if someone's able to crack this or get it going, then I will update the description of this video, or I'll probably post a comment down in the comments of this video and let you know that it has been cracked. But for now, I thank you guys so much for your time today and for checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button to let me know. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.